Hi everyone! Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram video lag on your phone. To know how to fix Instagram video lag, you should just go here to settings as you see and we will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here and we will click like this, and then here in this page, in this list, you will go down to Instagram as you see. After that, here in this page like this, you will go to click here force stop like this, and then when you will click for stop, you will click storage, and you will find this page. You will click here clear cache, and after that you will click clear data. Then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.